Illumination model. Illumination models are mathematical representations of light interactions with objects in a scene. They are used in computer graphics to simulate the appearance of objects and their surrounding environment. Here are some key points about illumination models in computer graphics. Surface properties. Illumination models take into account the surface properties of objects, such as their diffuse and specular reflectance, transparency, and surface roughness, to determine how light interacts with the object. Light sources. Illumination models also take into account the properties of light sources, such as their color, intensity, and position, to determine how light is emitted and how it illuminates the scene. Interactions. Illumination models simulate the interactions between light and objects in the scene, including reflection, refraction, and shadowing, to produce a more realistic image. Shading. Illumination models are used to compute the shading of objects in a scene, which is the variation in color or brightness that occurs due to changes in the angle of light, the surface properties of the object, or the position of the light source. Real-time performance. Illumination models are used to generate images in real time, which means they must be computationally efficient and able to produce results quickly. Global illumination. Illumination models can be classified into two main categories: local illumination models and global illumination models. Local illumination models only consider the direct lighting from light sources, while global illumination models take into account indirect lighting, where light is scattered or reflected by other objects in the scene. Realism. The realism of an illumination model depends on how accurately it simulates the interactions between light and objects in the scene. More advanced illumination models, such as global illumination models, typically produce more realistic images but can also be more computationally intensive. In summary, illumination models are an important component of computer graphics as they simulate the interactions between light and objects in a scene to produce a more realistic image. The choice of illumination model depends on the desired level of realism and computational performance. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.